Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to remove your favorite music. To know how to remove your favorite music, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When we find this page, we'll enter to the window of Spotify. Then we click on force stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You'll find uninstall and you can wait a moment to install again your app to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.